Nearly thousands of types of birds and fowl are sold at this traditional market. The most complete and largest in Central Java, and is included in the legend category. Karimata Bird Traditional Market in Semarang, Indonesia. Founded in 1980, this market has become the most comprehensive animal trading center to date.
Not only local birds, there are imported birds and even rare bird species here too. Indonesian people are very happy with birds, especially with their chirping.
Pasar burung ini dibangun tahun berapa, Pak?
1983.
Jual binatang yang dalam arti ilegal ada nggak, Pak?
Nggak ada, Mas.
Nggak ada ya, semua resmi.
Ada edaran dari dinas kehutanan, Mas. Itu dikasih bendel itu burung-burung atau hewan-hewan yang dilarang dilindungi. Nah, dilindungi. Kalau memang nekat ya ada sanksi hukum.
Songbirds in Indonesia are often included in competitions, and the prizes are not small, but up to billions.
Kalau harga, Pak, ini di harga mulai berapa sampai berapa, Pak, burung?
Kalau tahun-tahun setelah pandemi, Mas, itu harga turun, Mas.
Mulai dari berapa, Pak?
Kalau harga lovebird ya, burung lovebird itu ya, Mas, dulu 500, 750, sekarang cuma 50.000, 75.000, kan turun, Mas.
Terjun ya?
Turun, Mas. Enggak turun, Mas, terjun payung.
Terjun payung ya.
Dari jutaan jadi ratusan. Puluhan ya.
Not only birds, here they also provide food and bird needs. They even sell other unique and rare animals such as reptiles, dogs, cats, squirrels, monkeys, fish, and many others. The seller said, "All the animals here are legal and have received permission from the Indonesian government for public sale. So we are safe to buy animals here to keep at home." However, regarding the health of the animals, I saw that some were not good and had to be given special care so that they would not get sick and avoid dirt and germs. Because this is a traditional market which is not very clean. Apart from being kept and a hobby, animals are human friends. Journal Market 2023.